Welcome back to From the Burbs to the Tetons. This is part 5 in a series about installing our culvert with retaining wall. This is day 2 of the construction. At the time of recording this, we really weren't sure about whether or not we were going to end up doing a YouTube channel. What is happening now is the first footer is complete. I have filled the center 5 or so holes to the top and the rest of the holes halfway. We're also putting concrete around the center blocks as part of the footing. Clint from Milk & Brothers is adding more dirt so I can make a trough to pour additional cement. Lots of measuring going on, discussions of my plans, and timing of stuff. Clint had another job site he needed to check out, so his young assistant stayed with me. Just a reminder, in Fairfax, Virginia, I live at an altitude of 100 feet, and my property in Driggs is at 6,100 feet. It takes about 2 or 3 weeks for your body to get used to the altitude change. For this trip, this is day 4 for me. I know I have a lot of 10-hour days in front of me, so I'm trying to pace myself. Another thing I learned on this trip is to have enough batteries for your GoPro, or something to charge the batteries on site. It is also important to remember to turn on the camera after you take a break. So we will jump ahead to when I remember to turn on the camera. I had the second footer in. You can see on this one how the center holes in the footer are all filled in to the top, and the outside ones are not. This is because we'll be putting the culvert over those holes, and there won't be any way to get more cement into them. The other ones are filled halfway up. Most of them will end up with vertical rebarb in them. Yes, the cement got soupy on one side, but I am looking for the weight of the cement more than anything else. Remember, the retaining wall isn't structural. I'm way overbuilding it.
The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun it beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through, and every step quicker than the last. My feet tread down this beaten path, and I keep on pushing through. 'Cause I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Yeah, I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Oh, I've come too far in this to raise my flag and call it quits. So I keep on pushing through. Oh, with every step my heart it pounds. Yes, so sure I have my doubts, but I must keep pushing through. Yeah, I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love.
Now we prep the soil for the culvert install. While they are working on that, I start on the 3-inch schedule 80 pipe for getting the electrical off the pole and onto my property. The electrical company has a direct bury cable, but I still need to get it under the canal. We used about 30 feet of pipe and a 10-foot riser.
And I keep on running from the things Yeah, I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Yeah, I get up, and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground.
Now the fun begins, setting the first culvert. Getting the chain hooked up properly was a challenge. Basically, it was way too easy to lose a finger. So you let go of the chain a couple of inches before it was under pressure and hope for the best. On average, it took about 3 tries to get it hooked up.
We've been dancing with our eyes from across the room. I've been calculating strategy when to say hello. I've been waiting for my moment. Someone swooped in and stole it. Oh no, oh no. I see you over there with your long legs. And I should ask you to dance, but oh, I have my doubts. I've been running lines in my head, trying to play it out. But I was born with 2 left feet and 1 foot in my mouth. If the planets align and the stars, they shine just right, I might take you home tonight. Oh, so here goes nothing. I hope it turns into something. I'm standing on this high dive, just about to jump in. And that smile's like a lighthouse guiding me to shore. I've been stalling here long enough, I can't wait anymore. It's a shot in the dark, and the odds are stacked. Baby, you hit me so hard, like a heart attack. She may be out of my league, I may be out of my mind, but I'm ready to jump now, I'm ready to fly. So if the planets align and the stars, they shine just right, I might take you home tonight. Tonight, tonight, tonight is the night. Tonight, tonight, tonight is my night. Tonight, tonight, tonight is the night. Oh, tonight, tonight, tonight is my night. Yes, it is tonight. Tonight, come on, will you dance with me tonight? Tonight's still dawn, my night. Gonna see, I'm ready, I'm ready to roll. Tonight, tonight, tonight is my night. It's a shot in the dark, and the odds are stacked. Baby, you hit me so hard, like a heart attack. She may be out of my league, I may be out of my mind, but I'm ready to jump now, I'm ready to fly. Since the shot in the dark, and the odds are stacked. Baby, you hit me so hard, like a heart attack. She may be out of my league, and I may be out of my mind, but I'm ready to jump now, I'm ready to fly. So if the planets align and the stars, they shine just right, I might take you home tonight. Tonight, come on, dance with me tonight. Tonight's still dawn, my night. Gonna see, tonight, come on, dance with me tonight. Tonight's still dawn, my night. We've been dancing with our eyes from across the room.
I am worn, I am weary. Travel far, now retreating. I've longed for this place, longed for this place for so long. Now I lay me down and be long. And I breathe in the air fresh from the blessed Midwest. I am held by the forest where I go for rest, and washed by the waters of Lake Michigan. And wherever I go, I will return again to my home, the blessed Midwest. I am torn, I am bleeding. Seen many souls, many holy. Remember their faces, remember their facing home. Oh, till we meet again, till we meet again. Oh, oh. And I breathe in the air fresh from the blessed Midwest. I am held by the forest where I go for rest, and washed by the waters of Lake Michigan. And wherever I Pacific Midwest.
So we got the 3 8-foot culvers in place. Put the level on top, and the middle one was out of whack, which was unfortunate as they were lined up perfectly. We should have used the 4-foot level on the ground and after we installed each culvert, but we just trusted the laser level. What is the old saying? Measure twice, cut once. Just as the last battery was running out, we got a visit from the county. He was just making sure that we were going to put a culvert in the swale. From here out, I took some pictures. The first picture shows a good perspective of how the culvert relates to the canal in the footer. I will eventually fill in under the culvert with stone and use cement to hold them in place. This picture shows another perspective of the culvert being set in place. Here I have the second row of cinder blocks in place. These are a little rough, but will be covered by fill, and I intend to use the next row to get everything back on track. Just after lunch, the 18-inch culvert showed up for the swale. We got it installed and a couple of dump trucks of 6-inch fill, even though here and there you see some 12-inch stones. Clint wanted to get it covered for safety purposes. You can't leave uncovered culverts that close to the road without warning and safety lights. While I was working on the retaining wall, Clint worked on the Schedule 80 pipe for the electrical. It is buried 4 feet deep and will have full electrical coming off the pole versus, the electrical that's been stepped down from a transformer. And here's an end-of-day picture on the retaining wall. I am working on the wall in the front, as that is how we will build the driveway. They want to be able to start dumping stones and fill tomorrow.